Hello everyone, welcome to Comfyeating. Today we are going to make a very simple nutrient packed dish that's drumstick curry. We all know that drumsticks have got amazing health benefits, especially they are rich in iron. If you're looking for a nutritious and flavorful dish, then this recipe is for you. To start with, we will have to clean the drumstick leaves. We'll have to wash the leaves multiple times in running water, and once the leaves are washed we will need to drain them. So I washed the leaves over here and I've roughly taken 2 cups. We will keep this aside and now prepare our coconut paste. Now into a blender we will take half cup of grated coconut, add 2 garlic pods, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add some water and make it into a very nice smooth paste. Next, onto a vessel or a pan, we will heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add mustard seeds to it. Once they splatter, we will add some dried red chilies. Next, we will add the drained drumstick leaves and saute them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now, for the best taste, we will use a coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but coconut oil is ideal for this recipe. After sauteing, we will add 1 cup of water, and to this now we will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, add salt to taste and mix everything well. Now once it starts to boil, we will add our prepared coconut paste and mix everything well. We will keep the flame on medium heat and let the curry come to a boil. Once it's bubbling, we will switch off the flame. This is a very simple and mild curry. You can have it with steamed rice, or you can also enjoy it with fluffy rotis, soft dosas, or even millet and quinoa. So if you're looking for a nutritious and flavorful dish, then do give this recipe a try. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more nutritious recipes. Thank you for watching.